guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nolo, and if you're here for the first time, you see this channel for the first time, you see this beautiful face for the first time, you are highly welcome. This is the face behind those hands that make those cute bags, right? So without a waste of time, a couple of you have been asking me on where I get my material, right? The material that I use to make our crafts, right, especially beaded bags. Finally share on where I get my material, right? So we're gonna focus on two material right now. So the first thing is going to be our labeling tag, right? So this says made by Nolo over here, right? So this is a tag that is customized with my brand, says made by Nolo. And also another thing that we're going to focus on is magnetic button, right? And this is a wallet, by the way. The tutorial for it will come. It's part of the things that I've been working on but couldn't get a chance to really edit. However, stay tuned for more of the tutorial that will be coming. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your mobile phone or either laptop. However, this is the one that I use, my business phone, right? The model is Samsung. So you're gonna go and download AliExpress, because that's where I purchase most of my material. I'm gonna try and do a screen recording, right? Recording. And guys, if you are an expert in this, then you see this video, please don't come for me, because I'm just trying to get the message out there, not really trying to be like perfect or so. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best. So the first thing that you're gonna do, you are going to go to your AliExpress, right? Then where is the search button? Let's start with our magnetic buttons, right? The buttons, right? So we're gonna go and say magnetic buttons, right? Yeah, okay, let's go. Let's do the first search. So for me, because it's something that I've been doing often, it's just going to pop out, right? For you it might be a little bit of a struggle. So there are two types. The first one is, let me just show you, is this one, right? This one is more on a, yeah, you can also use it for the bags, but you can't sew it in, right? So that's a disadvantage of it. Is the one that is good when you are making leather bags and stuff. So the ones that I like are these ones, right? So this one's is the one that they have like a loop, 4 loops on the corners, right? So that you can be able to sew in your button, right? Instead of like gluing it in, you can just sew it in, right? So, and make sure also you communicate with your vendor, right? Because some of the vendor, they may not understand. And you see the price, you see they're gonna tell you 20 set, 10 mm to 18 mm. You're going to pick a size. Some are quite big, some are quite small. Okay, let's just say this is the vendor that we're gonna go for, right? Then you're gonna choose color. For me, I normally go for gold. So you see this one is like bronze, no, rose gold, silver. If your brand is more of a silver, you choose silver. And you know, they will like that. Okay, let's just say it's for me, then I'll choose gold, right? Then I'll choose the size. right? Because most of the bags I like go for cutie size, right? Then I'm gonna go and choose 10 mm. Then the quantity you are going to choose, because they are already 20, do you want that 20 or do you want 20 times 2, right? If you do 20 times 2, you're going to press here and say 2. But if you want 1, then you're going to say add to the cart, right? Then you go to your cart, right? This is the one that we just did, right? So since it's here, you're going to make sure that you communicate with your vendor first. This is what I normally do, right? I always want to communicate, right? So I'm gonna go to my history. I'm gonna go to my history for the last purchase that I made. I made a large purchase because I didn't want to go back and forth with customs, right? Because okay, which is last year. I made my last purchase last year. So the one that I made a purchase with is called Dora Bead, right? I went ahead and communicate with them, asked them how many buttons in total. Apparently their chat has disappeared because it's quite a long time, and this app was once deleted from my phone. Then I had to, you know, install it again. However, I asked them how many buttons is it in total. Then the one that I made purchase was, okay, there we go. Oh, it was in dollar, right? More like, okay, me, I made 5 set, like in different colors, right? Then the total was, let's just say roughly $7, right? Okay, but I do ask them questions. I saw 5 sets, does it mean 5 buttons? Then they answered, okay, so in total it's 15 buttons in one set, right? Then they said yes. Then I go ahead and start putting my payments details. Then I make a payment, right? And another thing also is the labels, right? So for the labels, you're gonna go and say you're gonna say, so depending on the shape that you want, you see this one is 50 pieces. So depending on the logo that you want, you're going to choose here. There's a different logos you're going to choose, and they're going to show you the prices also depending on the one that you want, right? Then you're also going to say add to the cart, just the same way we've been doing, right? Okay, you're gonna make sure that you this one is, you need to be like, you need to pay attention to the details, right? So I'm gonna show you the example of the ones that I use. Okay, these are one of the examples that I use. But however, the one that you choose, you're going to tell them that I want 4 holes on the side, 2, or you want 2 holes, or you want just 1 hole. You know, the reason why I say 2 is for me to pass my thread, because I want to avoid glue, right? So I'm going to pass my thread. So yeah, the way it is. Even here are some, you're also going to check what other people have purchased, right? You don't just go there and start purchasing, you check, right? Yeah, I see even the other one for beaded bag, right? Another brand, right? So this is the one that I've been using. Okay, there are my people. Yeah, those are the ones that I've been using, right? Okay, so we're gonna go for my old chats that I had with them, right? These are my people. Okay, where are they? Messages. Okay, let me check messages. Okay, yeah, this is my shop, right? So the first thing that I did, right, was to tag what's on special and send to them, right? After sending to them, then I said, hello, could you please customize my logo on size 8 by 32 mm, right? Then I went ahead and sent them my logo, right? Then they will tell me send your logo like in clear so that they could see, right? Then I did send my logo. Then I tell them, please print that on my tag. How many tags in total? They will be telling me. I want to know how much I'm paying for how many, right? I don't just go and see what's on special. Probably I want 50 tags, and what's on special is 30 tags. So I tell them, make them 50. I'll add more money. Then yeah. Then they showed me sample. I remember they showed me sample and say, wow, thank you so much. I even told them myself, before that I told them myself, please show me one of them when you are done. Just show me one first so that I can see if I approve or not, because I need to see my logo if it's cute, right? Then they did show me. Then you go ahead and make a payment. Then you put your address. So when they arrive, right? So when they arrive for the magnetic buttons, like depending on the set that you purchased, right? Depending on the set, this is another set that I've been using. They come in 5, 5, 5, right? So I think I made like 40 in total. So they're not making like everything in one. They'll make like 5 in a bag, 5 in a bag. These are the gold. I also have black ones somewhere on my right where I work, on my working station. So yeah, so these are the gold. I like using gold, right? Yeah, so you know, gold scream money. So this is how they come, but you know, they'll be wrapped with other stuff, right? And for the magnetic labels, your labels, this is how they come, right? Okay, a lot, quite a lot. This is bag number 2 that I've been using. Bag number 1 is still not finished, so I don't know where I got this. So each and every is packaged because they don't want them to scratch, right? So each and every is packaged in each bag, right? They're quite nice color. And then you're gonna open. I don't know if you could see, but mine got 2 holes. Right? So I was good with 2 holes because I can just pull through both of my threads, then ja, it works perfectly. Then this is exactly what I sent to them. Then this is exactly what they delivered. I'm very happy with them, right? I'm still gonna tag the name of the shops that I used, but you can also check the other ones. So this is how they come. So when they come to South Africa, because this is metal, this is a metal, so when it comes to South Africa, you're gonna pay. You're going to pay. Probably it was a free shipping, right? It was a free shipping from China until it gets here. Then when it gets here, they're gonna tell you this, for example, is 3 kg, so you're going to pay for those kgs. You get what I mean? You pay. Probably, I remember when I paid for this was a quite expensive one. And because you're also buying from a different vendors, each and every vendor package its own package and send. They don't just go in one bulk and say we are going to Nolo. No, this shop is going to package its own, send. This shop is going to package its own and send. the shop is going to package its own and send, right? So when they get to South Africa, they're gonna go to post office, right? Then probably this is the first to come, and they're like 3 kg. Then you pay like 200 rand, right? You pay for those kgs. I don't know, but that's what has been happening to me, right? You pay for the weight stuff, for what, yeah, for the customs. Then you pay, and it's a metal. You pay for the weight. The more it weighs, the more you pay, right? Also, this one and the other ones, right? So yeah, guys, I hope you liked this video. So kindly stick around. There's a lot going on, and there's a lot that I really want to share with you guys, just as I've been very distracted. Stick around, then I'll see you on my next video. Bye.